My name is Jacqueline Santos. I'm a bio major and a chemical physics minor.
My name is Vanessa Jaimes, and I'm a double major in public health and biology.
My name is Katie Forrest, and I'm a biology and Spanish major. Upstairs with Dr. Powell, we created an amide in hopes of finding something, creating a compound that would slow down cell growth, get that down here in Dr. Gorm's lab by using yeast cells that we had fermented for an hour or two, and then we calculated using the spectrophotometer.
It was really interesting being able to apply what we've learned in chemistry alongside with the biology process and concepts, and being able to see how all the scientists interlock towards each other and helping us find a solution for, in this case for us, cancer research.